According to the Kern County Homeless Collaborative, the homeless population in Kern County is growing.
We identified 885 people across the county who were homeless on one night. This translates to an overall 9% increase in homelessness from 2017.
With more people on the streets that haven't been accounted for and shelters filling up to capacity, officials say more resources in the community are essential. $3.8 million of emergency state funding allocated to the Kern County Homeless Collaborative is allowing them to combat the crisis head-on. Projects that will have an immediate impact include 300 new homeless prevention beds that will help people at risk of becoming homeless, as well as 564 rapid rehousing beds that will provide short-term rental assistance and support, and 300 days of motel vouchers for homeless people in rural areas. Through Kern Behavioral Health, they will also have more resources on the streets offering help.
This will result in 15 to 20 more street outreach workers on the ground every day, meeting homeless where they are at and linking them to services, including housing.
And more long-term solutions in mind, the Housing Authority is launching an initiative called Home at Last.
We've identified that there are 60 homeless individuals on our streets right now, unsheltered, who are extremely vulnerable. They are the most likely to die on our streets without an intervention. We've offered each one of those individuals a housing subsidy.
But they need the community's help.
The only thing preventing them from moving into a unit at this point is a landlord willing to rent to them, the availability of rental units. So we're going out to our community and we're asking for help in identifying landlords. We're asking landlords, property owners, investors. We're asking the community to step up in a big way.
The Housing Authority will pay for a majority of the housing and go into an agreement with landlords willing to rent their properties out.
We have a 97% success rate that once they're in housing, they become a good tenant and they remain in that housing. So the idea is to never have them fall into homelessness again, and once they are housed, they stay there.